good right now. We just got here. It's like 8, I think. You guys don't know, I moved to North Carolina. I'm gonna be putting up my new bed sheet, my tapestry, my new light. First, I have to clean up my room. Time lapse. Complex for someone as dumb as me, so there, I guess that's better. I don't even know where I'm gonna put it. You hear stuff that sounds like gunshots. It's the day before 4th of July, so when my collage comes, it's gonna go over this, so all this will be covered. For right now, that's what it looks like. Okay, so we did that, and now I'm gonna see. Oh. We'll figure this out later. Right now, that's cute. So we're gonna clean that up. So cleaned all that up. I have to put all that away, and that's dance stuff. I really don't like that, but it's okay. I'm gonna hang up these. They're for jewelry. I have another one. I just don't know where it is. Right here. I'm just gonna put like small bracelets on there, and I'm also gonna hang these up. Okay, so I put some of this stuff on. I have another one of those. Don't know where that is. Target. It has some messages on it from my brother. This is from Target. This is from Tilly's. This is from Target. Target. Pretty much all my decor is from Target. So look at house. That's great. Okay, so now I'm helping my brother. And then he got those. So I got this oil diffuser for $5 Below. Probably doesn't work, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna do a cool little transition where I put all my makeup in here. So here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Okay guys, so I added some more stuff. This little mirror. I'm very tired. And my camera's gonna die. But I will update you guys tomorrow. I'll just update you guys on what I did. So I'm almost done with my closet. I just brought this box up, but basically everything else is gonna be put away soon. Put some more magazines in there. I put some more jewelry on here, but that's basically all I did. Not update you guys once I do more. Okay, so I've made another one, or I put up another one. It's less cluttered. Okay guys, so it's 2 days later. It's the day after 4th of July, so you celebrated. Happy 4th of July. What? Keep going. Anyways, I just want to update you guys on some things that I did. It wasn't much. Actually, it was kind of a lot. So basically, I put some of my clothes up. I have a lot more. Oh, I put up my ring light today. That's good, because I needed to do a makeup look. Yeah. And I'm just about to make my bed. I got an Alexa. And it's coming tomorrow, I think. Either tomorrow or Sunday. So that's really good because I've been wanting one for a while. So when that comes, I'll update you guys. Update on the collage. So it's in Miami right now, which is not North Carolina. So it's gonna be delivered to my grandma's house, and then she's gonna send it to me. So I don't know how long that's gonna take, but I'll update you guys whenever it comes. Yeah. Hey you guys, it's about like a week and a half later, maybe even 2 weeks. My collage finally came to me, but yeah, we're gonna open it up. Oh my god. So pretty. Okay guys, so it's only been a few minutes, but like I got some of them. This is the first section I'm gonna put up. I like how these are laid out. Actually, I don't like that one or that one, so I'm gonna change that. There we go. Okay, so I changed them. I like it a lot better. Oh, my battery's gonna die. Okay, so I'm gonna start putting them up now.
I woke up early in the morning just to feel the light of day. Had to open up my window, get the shadows out my way. Banana pancakes for my problems, find me jamming old Jack Johnson. Swear I heard them angel calls, lay outside as heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls, as heaven falls.
Okay guys, so I'm done. That's what it looks like. I knew it wasn't gonna fill the whole wall. And I clean up my disgusting room, and I will show you guys the full room tour. How it turned out. If you guys want to get any of these things I have in my room, I'll link them all in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I haven't been posting recently because I've been, you know, moving and I haven't really had any ideas, so I've been waiting to film this video. So yeah, but I will be posting regularly again. So yeah, bye.